Alright, let's try to prove the product rule. Here's the statement. The derivative of f of x times g of x is equal to f prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x. Alright, so let's prove this. So I'm going to start with the derivative of f of x times g of x is equal to, using the limit definition, limit as h approaches 0, f of x plus h times g of x plus h minus f of x times g of x all over h. Right? So I'm going to make a little bit of room here, and I'm going to subtract f of x times g of x plus h and add the same thing back. So we have that. Right? So this is equal to the limit as h approaches 0. Right? So you can see that looking at the first two terms, we have g of x plus h is in common. So I'm going to factor it out. And picking up the leftover, which goes here. Then for the last two terms, you see that the f of x is in common. So I'll pull it out. And then here's the leftover. So pick up the leftover there. Right? Then you can see that the limit of the first quotient here is the definition of f prime of x. The limit of the second factor there, since h is going to 0, it's going to go to g of x. And then f of x has nothing to do with h, so it's going to stay the same. And the limit of the last quotient is the definition of g prime of x. So we have f prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x, which is the right-hand side of the product rule. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.